Good morning to all. Welcome back to this new video. Today we are going to do exercise 2. Preparation of comparative statement. See, from the following particulars, prepare comparative income statement of Bharani Limited. Particulars: revenue from operations 30,000, 45,000. Other income 4,000, 6,000. Expenses 10,000, 15,000. Income tax 30,000, 30,000. So from last video, there is no income tax. This question there is income tax. That is the difference between last sum and exercise 1 and 2. Okay. So we have to find out the income tax and subtract from profit before tax. Okay, that's all. Now we can start doing the sums. As usual, we have to put the heading comparative statement of Bharani Limited. This is the heading. Okay. The last sum also you should write the heading comparative statement of Arul Limited, like that. See, first item, revenue from operations. How much is the amount? 30,000. Here 45,000. Okay. How much is the difference? 30,000 and 45,000, 15,000. Plus or minus? Plus. Okay. Then other income, that is given in the question. 4,000. Here 6,000. So difference between these two, 4,000 became 6,000. So plus 2,000. Okay. So we can find out the total income. 30,000 plus 4, 34,000. 45,000 plus 6,000, 51,000. 15,000 plus 2,000 plus 17,000. So we got total income. Less expenses. What are the expenses? Here 10,000. Next year 15,000. Okay. So we want to subtract 34,000 minus 10,000, 24,000. 51,000 minus 15,000. 36,000. 36,000. Then here 10,000 become 50,000. 15,000. So 5,000 added. So add together. Plus 22,000. Understood? Here we want to add. Less 12,000. 17,000 minus 5,000, 12,000. Okay. So you got profit before tax. Now we are going to find out the tax at 30%. So from which we want to find out the tax? Tax we want to calculate profit before tax. Here 24,000. So calculations 24,000 into 30%. 30% means 30 by 100. Okay. Is equal to 7,200. 7,200. Like the same way, 36,000. 36,000 into same 30%. 30 by 100. 30% means 30 by 100. 300. 10,800. Okay. So 7,200 become 10,800. So how much is difference between this 10,800 minus 7,200? So 3,600. Plus there is an increase. So plus 3,600. Okay. So this is only one calculation. Find out the tax. Tax we calculated from ப்ராஃபிட் பிஃபோர் டேக்ஸில் இருந்து தான் கால்குலேட் பண்ணுங்க 24,000. இப்போ 24,000 இன்டூ 30% இல்லையா, 30% மீன்ஸ் 30/100. அப்போ 7,200 கிடைக்கும். இப்போ வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 36,000 ப்ராஃபிட் பிஃபோர் டேக்ஸு. ஸோ 36,000 இன்டூ 30 divided by 100. So 10,800. So 10,800. Here we are going to find the difference. See, 7,200, 10,800. Difference is 3,600. So here increase, so plus. Now we are going to less only, tax deducted. So 24,000 minus 7,200. 24,000 minus 7,200. $16,800. Here 36,000 minus 10,800. 25,200. 25,200. Okay, so here we want to subtract it. 12,000 minus 300. 3,600. So 8,400. So this is profit before tax. So we find out the decrease or increase. Okay, this also increase plus. Here this so less tax. Here we find out 7,200. Here we find out 10,800. Difference between these two is 3,600. Then here profit after tax we got now 16,800. Difference between 25,200 and 16,800 you will got 8,400. So we got the difference between these two here. Difference between these two here. Difference between these two here. அப்போ இங்கே ஃபஸ்ட்டு காலம் செகண்ட் காலம் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் தான் இங்கே எழுதணும். இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிடுச்சுன்னா ப்ளஸ்ஸு, டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகிடுச்சுன்னா மைனஸ்னு போடணும். இப்போ இதில் எல்லாமே இன்க்ரீஸ் தான், அதனால் நம்ம வந்து ப்ளஸ்ஸு போட்டிருக்கோம். எல்லாத்துலேயுமே ப்ளஸ் இருக்கும். அப்போ ஆன்சரும் ப்ளஸ்ஸு தான் வரும். சரிங்களா? இப்போ நம்ம வந்து கால்குலேட் பண்ண போகிறோம். என்ன எப்படி கால்குலேட் பண்ணோம்? பர்சன்டேஜ் ஆஃப் இன்க்ரீஸ் எப்படி கால்குலேட் பண்ணோம்? ஃபஸ்ட்டு காலம் பாருங்கள், 15,000. ஸோ 15,000 divided by ஃபஸ்ட்டு காலம் 30,000 into 100. ரெண்டாவது கோலம் பாருங்க, 2,000. 2,000 divided by here first column 4,000. 4,000 into 100. Okay, and next பாருங்க 17,000. 17,000 divided by first column 34,000. 34,000 into 100. Next column பாருங்க 5,000. 5,000 divided by 10,000. 5,000 divided by 10,000 into 100. Like the same way all items. Absolute amount divided by first year one amount into 100. So find out all these and write down here. Now I will find out all. I find out all. See, 10,000 divided by 30,000 into 100, 50%. 2,000 divided by 4,000 into 100, 50%. 17,000 divided by 34,000 into 100, 50%. 5,000 by 10,000 into 100, 50%. 12,000 divided by 24,000 into 100, 50%. 3,600 divided by 7,200 into 100, 50%. 8,400 divided by 16,800 into 100, 15%. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 50%. 50%. Next also 50%. All plus 50%. 50%. How much we got answer here, you should write here. 50%. So profit after tax 50%. So all we find out here and write down. So workings are very important here. First of all, you should find out the tax calculation. After finding out the tax calculation, we should find out the difference. These two are tax calculations. This one we finding out the percentage of increase or decrease. So this is a method of finding out. Okay. Thank you.